Alright guys, check this out. We got a RDX 2.3 engine. So a month ago I replaced the rack and pinion on this, the whole rack and pinion assembly. So it came back because of its hard steering. There's no power assist on this one, and you can see the tire is straight. Okay, so the wheel is straight already, and you can see this bellows. Look at this boot. It's crooked, like it looks like it's swollen. Somehow it got bigger. The clamps down here, it did not move. It's always the same spot. Seems like this boot, it got extended, it got bigger, and if I push it in and out, listen, there's like fluid in there. So it looks like there's some kind of leak inside of that rack and pinion. Let's go check the passenger side. All right, so here's the passenger side right here. Same thing. Look at that boot. It's just huge. It's like swollen. It got longer. That's crazy. Like, you see the rotor is straight, okay? So that means the steering wheel is straight, and then the distance of this outer tie rod is in a normal straight position. So that means this boot should be steady. It should be not squished like that. And if I move it again, yeah, there's like a fluid moving in there. So it looks like there's a leak on that external seal on that rack and pinion. And you can see this oil leaking right there, a little bit of oil underneath. So what the heck, guys? This is a brand new rack and pinion from Parts Source. It's not supposed to be like that. See what you guys think, and any input on this, let me know. We're gonna diagnose and continue on this RDX 2.3. So that's it. Stay tuned.